Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these awesome caramel cookie Nespresso pods. They are so tasty and so yummy. These are in a 7.77 fluid ounce pod here. So you get a good cup of coffee, a good sized cup of coffee, I should say. These are so easy to use. You just pop them in your Nespresso machine. They have a little barcode that they read, and it brews the correct amount of coffee based off of the type of pod you put in. I like this flavor. I feel like it has a very sweet flavor that's subtle, and it's like a light roasted coffee. So I really like this. I put it with my creamer and I get a really nice cup of coffee. I drink this like every morning, so I enjoy this one. So I think you should check these out. I think you'll like them, and that's my point of view.